Welcome back. Yet again, Ponda Market will be closed on Thursday. The Ponda Market vendors have unanimously decided to keep the market closed as some of the members are being summoned by the North Goa collector and Ponda police in connection with their SOPO issue. Vendors have blamed Chief Officer and Deputy Collector Johnson Fernandez for the bandh. They also criticized Ponda municipal officials for negligent attitude. Earlier, Ponda Market was 100% closed on 6th August following SOPO dispute.
सगळ्या वेंडर्सांक पणजे कलेक्टरान आपयल्या ऑर्डर काढल्या जॉन्सन फेर्नांडीस वो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर तोच चीफ ऑफिसर आणि तोच ऑर्डर काढता कोणाकडे अपियर जावंक जाय म्हणून कलेक्टराकडे अपियर जावंक जाय म्हणून कित्याक होच चीफ ऑफिसर तोच कलेक्टर तोच प्रोसिक्युटर म्हणजे सगळं तोच करता आणि सोपो करीत आसतना सोपो दिलो तो मनीस तोच म्हणजे हितून सगळ्या फ्रॉडान वो जॉन्सन फेर्नांडीस इनवॉल्व आसा अशें दिसता आमकां आतां हाजेर ताणें आज जे मार्केट फाल्यांचे मार्केट बंद उरतले ते जॉन्सन फेर्नांडीसाचेर बंद उरतले
मार्केट बंद उरपाक जबाबदार आयज आमचो चीफ ऑफिसर जावं कलेक्टर आसा आनी आमी टिट्याच्या बाबतीन आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीक पयशे दिता म्हणल्यार तेजे अजून पर्यंत ताणें कसलोच निर्णय घेवना की अजून सोपो टॅक्स वाले अजून कलेक्शन करतात 15,000 पर डे करतात की आउटसायडचे भायले आनी एक दीस तेणी फुटपाथ काडली खरी पूण तेणी फुटपाथ काडटना सांगलें की आमकां वयल्यान ऑर्डर आसा की रस्त्यार बसचें न्ही तर एक दिसा खातीर रस्त्यार बसचें न्ही काय सगळो तेंप बसचो न्ही की दुसरी परत फुटपाथ बसयली आनी तेणी 50 रुपया 100 रुपया घेवपाक जाय डबलींग पयशे दियात आनी तुमी थंय बसात म्हूण सांगलेलें आसा.
Napta tragedy in Daktole, Wasco completed 3 years. However, victims are still living in distress and misery. People have demanded an approach road. They have charged the government of neglecting them.
It was on 19th August in 2011. Daktole in Wasco was engulfed by naphtha blazes. The incident claimed 5 lives. The underground naphtha pipeline got punctured during ongoing work on National Highway, leading to a disaster. 3 years down the line, people are still living in misery. There is no approach road to the area. During the monsoon, the access gets blocked as bushes cover the area. People claim a complete neglect from the government.
वाट ना आमकां पावसा येवपा वचपा वाट ना त्रास आमी तशी शेणाच्यान वयता वयल्यान त्या भय्यान सांगलें शेण सोडूं नाका तेय आयकना कोण वाट निवळ करिना सांगल्या वचून आमी जंगलाच्यान कशीं वयता आमी तशीं घरा रावता आतां कशें करून घर उबी केलां सामान हाडलां तें आमकांच खबर आसा.
People have demanded an approach road.
आमच्या वाड्यार कांयच अजून जावना एक रस्तो ना काय बरें दोग जाण भुरगे आमचे पिड्ड्यार जावन गेले तरी पूण आमकां रस्त्याची सोय ना खेड्या पाड्यांनी हांव 35 वर्सां आयज पळयता खेड्या पाड्यांनी इतकी रस्त्याची सोय जाल्या एक घर आशिल्ले कडेन पुसू रस्ते जाल्या पूण आमचो हे वाडो इतको आसून लोकांचे हे पोस्ती आमकां कांयच ना.
3 वर्सां जावन गेली नाफ्ताचो इन्सिडेंट जालो तरी पूण रस्तो ना नाफ्ता जावन आमकां इतले हाल जाले की लोकांचे हांगसर आमी रस्ते येतले म्हणून वाट पळयता पूण हे कोणूच पळयना गव्हर्नमेंट आमचे कडेन मात सुद्दां लक्ष दिना.
Reported Dishant Parab for Prudent.
CCP Employees Union have threatened to go on strike following a token fast and mega rally in Panji from 22nd August. CCP Union has demanded reinstating sacked workers. Union has accused Commissioner Sanjeet Rodrigues of corruption and illegalities. Union said they would ask ACB and Vigilance Department to initiate inquiry into CCP commissioners functioning in the CCP.
संजीत रॉड्रिक्सान कमिशनरान बेकायदेशीररित्या मनमानीपणा करून आणि त्याच बरोबर नैसर्गिक न्यायाची तत्व सगळी जी आसा धाब्यार बसोवन तांकां जे काडून उडयल्ले आसा ते जाता तितले बेगीन तांकां घेवपाक जाय. आमच्या सिनियर ऑफिसरांक आणि संस्थेच्या आमच्या कामगार संघाच्या सिनियर पर्यवेक्षकांक जर परत घेतले ना जाल्यार मात्र 4थी दिसा 28 तारखेच्यान आमकां आमचो स्ट्रायक सुरू करचो पडटलो आणि ह्या स्ट्रायकाची सगळी जबाबदारी आसा ह्या मनपाचे जे कमिशनर आसा तेंची जबाबदारी आसतली. देर विल बी अ केस ऑफ अ मॉनिटरी बायस पर्सनल बायस इन एडिशन टू मॉनिटरी बायस इतलेंय करून समज जर ताका लागून हे जर सगळो भ्रष्टाचार मागीर ही मनमानीपणा बेकायदेशीरपणा जर थांबली ना जाल्यार ह्या युनियनाक हांगासर माहिती हक्काचो आधार घेवन सगळी माहिती जी आसा न्ही ती काडची पडटली आणि संजीत रॉड्रिक्साचे कशे कशे हात कशे कशे खंय खंय बरबटलेले आसा पळय त्या साठी आमकां चौकशीसाठी आमकां डायरेक्टर ऑफ विजिलन्स आणि करप्शनची बॉडी आसा एंटी करप्शन बॉडीज आसा इन्क्लुडिंग इफ टाइम कम्स इन व्यू ऑफ अवर डिडक्शन because the deduction unauthorized deduction that he has done that amounts to cheating.
We contacted Sanchit Rodriguez in this regard, but he refused to comment on camera. Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Goa Police has issued security advisory in view of forthcoming Savat festival. Senior officers of Goa Police held a meeting and discussed security arrangements across the state. Goa Police have requested organizers and Goikars to cooperate with them.
After discussing security issues with all PIs of the state, Goa Police on Tuesday issued a security advisory in view of forthcoming Savat. DIG OP Mishra said all the police stations have been put on alert and additional forces will also be deployed to assist local police during the festival.
Every police station in charge is also interacting with the resident association society members to identify such societies where there is going to be maximum movement of people during the festival, and we would also request at least those societies and resident associations where they know that maximum movement will take place, they should also inform the local police of the area so that they are able to plan accordingly preventive measures. Every police station will have a separate security deployment during the Chaturthi festival.
Goa Police has enough personnel to man the sensitive locations, but the organizers and people too should be alert.
You see, our recruits who have just passed out from the police training school, they all have been given to the respective police stations. So we are going to mobilize maximum number of manpower. This is a major security arrangements for us. So apart from the local police, we will also have the deployment of IRB. We will also have the deployment of home guards. There will be elaborate security arrangements related to traffic also.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Paul for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.